Hello, sister, how are you?
Well, thank you. How are you?
Oh, I don't know. It's a long story. Um,
Oh,
um, well, I don't know how to put this, and you're probably not going to believe me, but I've actually, the internal email system for Jehovah's Witnesses.
okay.
Well,
What address did
I
you use?
actually know the five of the governing body, 24 helpers, and the rest of the format of Jehovah's Witnesses, and they'd be receiving my emails. Paul Gillies, the the thingy committee, I don't know what it's called now. Paul, have you heard of Paul Gillies? He's a Scottish bloke.
I have heard the
Well,
name,
actually,
yes.
he's opened up my email 6 times about when Jerusalem was destroyed and all my evidence that Jerusalem wasn't destroyed in 607. So he's on board now, so he can go and tell your governing body. Garrett Losh opened it up, right? I've got all the email receipts from Neo
I'm
Email.
afraid this telephone is
Sister, I'm Jehovah God,
outside
by the
the
way.
main
How do you like that? Scary, isn't it?
I'll just pop you on hold. Bear with me one
Sister, I'm
second.
Jehovah.